For your help, I place all the product links in the description. For your
Traveling is a thrilling experience, but it can also be stressful if you don't have the right luggage. One piece of equipment that can significantly enhance your travel experience is the aluminum frame travel bag suitcase. Specifically, the 18/20" trolley luggage carry-on cabin suitcase offers an excellent blend of durability, style, and convenience. Durability and strength. One of the standout features of aluminum frame luggage is its durability. Aluminum is known for its strength and resistance to impact, making it an ideal material for travel bags that need to withstand the rigors of frequent travel. The aluminum frame provides a sturdy structure that protects your belongings from being crushed or damaged during transit. Unlike plastic or fabric suitcases, aluminum frame luggage is less prone to cracking, tearing, or warping, ensuring your suitcase remains in good condition for many years. Lightweight and easy to handle. Despite its robust construction, an aluminum frame suitcase is surprisingly lightweight. This makes it easy to carry and maneuver, especially when you're navigating through busy airports or train stations. The size is perfect for a carry-on, allowing you to keep your essentials close at hand without the need to check your bag. This not only saves time, but also reduces the risk of lost luggage. Stylish design. Aesthetics matter, and an aluminum frame suitcase doesn't disappoint. With its sleek, modern design, it exudes a sense of sophistication and professionalism. Whether you're traveling for business or leisure, this suitcase adds a touch of elegance to your journey. The metallic finish is not only visually appealing, but also resistant to scratches and dents, keeping your suitcase looking pristine even after multiple trips. Practical features. The aluminum frame travel bag suitcase is not just about looks and durability, it also offers a range of practical features designed to enhance your travel experience. The multi-directional spinner wheels provide smooth and effortless mobility, allowing you to glide through airports and hotel lobbies with ease. The telescopic handle can be adjusted to different heights, ensuring comfortable handling for travelers of all sizes. Inside, the suitcase is thoughtfully designed to maximize space and organization. It typically includes multiple compartments and pockets, allowing you to neatly organize your clothes, toiletries, electronics, and other travel essentials. Some models also come with built-in compression straps to keep your items securely in place and minimize shifting during transit. Security. Security is a top priority when traveling, and an aluminum frame suitcase offers several features to keep your belongings safe. Many models come with integrated PSA-approved locks, providing an extra layer of protection against theft. The robust construction of the suitcase also makes it more challenging for unauthorized individuals to break into. Eco-friendly choice. In today's world, sustainability is an important consideration. Aluminum is a recyclable material, making aluminum frame suitcases an eco-friendly choice. By investing in a high-quality, long-lasting suitcase, you reduce the need for frequent replacements, contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. Conclusion. An aluminum frame travel bag suitcase in the 18/20"